Verifying trig identities, example D. Well, this is an interesting one. There's obviously nothing I can do on the right side. It's just a number. I'm going to have to do all my work on the left. What I see is two algebra expressions that are screaming out to be FOILed. FOIL is the right answer there. You cannot distribute exponents over addition and subtraction. These are two FOIL problems. It might even help you to write out the FOIL problems. So I have the first one multiplied by itself, and then I'll have the second one multiplied by itself. And now we can do our FOILing. So let's see. First would be 9 cosine squared theta. And then outer, I'm going to get negative 12 sine theta cosine theta. I'll get exactly the same thing in here. So that'll make a total of negative 24 sine theta cosine theta. And then from the back, I get positive 16 sine squared theta. Of course, it's similar for the other one. It looks like 16 cosine squared theta for the front. The middle part, let's see here. Everybody's positive. I get a 12 sine theta cosine theta and another 12 sine theta cosine theta. So once again, 24, this time positive 24 sine theta cosine theta. And the back part ends up being 9 sine squared theta. So far it's an awfully big mess, but here's where things get much, much nicer. I do see these two terms wipe each other out. And then I have some like terms. I've got 9 cosine squared theta and 16 cosine squared theta, which gives me a total of 25 cosine squared theta. The same thing happens with the sine one, 16 of them here and 9 of them here for a total of 25 sine squared theta. Well, this one's going to finish off quite nicely. I can factor out the 25 now. Cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta, that's just 1. And 25 times 1 is 25. And there you go, we matched. This identity has been verified. Thanks for watching.